What's up, YouTube? How you doing? So I went out on Black Friday and I wanted to come into the 21st century, and I bought a GoPro Hero 8, which is what's here, and got a Mavic Mini drone also. So I was like, oh, I'll start filming some stuff, edit it together, and make some kind of cool videos, or at least try to. Well, started filming stuff and went and put it on my laptop, and the laptop would barely even play. So that is out, and just got back from Micro Center, and we got our first computer we're going to try to build. So yeah, there's all the stuff. Had some friends help me pick stuff out, and we're going to try to put this together. This will be my first computer build, and we'll just go from there. So I think I'm going to try to make this the first video to edit on the new system. Who knows if it'll work? If you see it, don't cringe. So we'll get to it. See you in a little bit. Well, I got my YouTubes all fired up. This is how I'm gonna figure out how to do it. Watch this guy, and we'll go from there. So got everything all ready to go, and we'll see what happens.
Our knife again. Stay hydrated. Everybody hydrated. Everybody gotta stay hydrated. We're about to be cut into your power supply box. Yes. The instruction manual, which for power supply is pretty straightforward. The power supply here, and the cable for the power supply, which is why you really buy a computer for yourself for the stickers. Lastly, we have this is a coaster. Here is the driver support CD, which I recommend completely ignoring and never using. Downloading your driver's need from the manufacturer's website. And here's our user guide, which we will pay attention to later, namely because it has the wiring diagram that we're going to need for when we are wiring up the motherboard. We do not need that yet, though. Do not worry. Let's focus on getting this motherboard into the case. First of all, let's open up our little yard here. I know this thing has a specific name for it. I don't remember it off the top of my head right now. I'm sorry. Stay up off the ground. Stay hydrated. Keep everybody hydrated. Everybody's gonna stay hydrated. We're going to be cut to your power supply box. Yes. The power supply is not as important. Pretty straightforward. Power supply here. The cables for the power supply, which, if you remember, as I said, this is not a modular power supply, meaning you got a bunch of cables all hanging out of this thing. And of course, the power cord, which you will need, but not yet. First of all, as you can see, it's set to install the power supply. Which is interesting, if you look on this side, the text is this way, and this is facing up. Is facing up. But if you flip it, now the fan is facing down, but the text is still there. Looking at the back of the power supply here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 different screw holes. Screw it back in. And now, our power supply is mounted. We have even more cables. My goodness, this is looking real rat's nasty over here. But do not freak out. It's going to be okay. We're going to make it look pretty at the end. And the other good news is that this is the same case. So if you look at this side of the case, it looks super clean. Look at that. You can't even tell the cable. I love that. So good. Now that the power supply is installed, it's time to turn our attention to the motherboard. We're going to take the case here and we're going to stuff these cables in here so they don't get squished too bad, and we're going to lay it down flat. I'm going to bring the board here a little bit closer because I want to explain to you the motherboard mounting system. Now if you look down here in the case, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mounting screws built into the case that will allow you to mount your motherboard. These screws are standard for most motherboards, so most manufacturers can just include the screws as they are ready to use. That said, if you're using a type of motherboard, a weird one, you may need to modify some of these screws. But because this is an ATX case and we're using an ATX motherboard, we should not need to worry about that. So as far as covering the case goes, we're ready to go. So let me get into whenever you're building a computer. Always make sure you have enough space. Like, I'm using my whole dining room table here. Lots of room. The can see, made it through the entire installation process and realized that I forgot to do this and had to redo it. So make sure you know where to do that. And that is some tiny little screws in it. Don't know what those are for yet. Not for cable. Or zip ties, always important. Stickers. This is why it'd be really bad. Computer building stuff like stickers. Lastly, we have this is the driver support CD, which I recommend completely ignoring and never using. Download your driver review from the website. And here's our user guide, which we will pay attention to later, mainly because it has the wiring diagram. You do not need that yet, though. Do not worry. Let's focus on this motherboard. I know this thing has a specific name, so I don't remember off the top of my head right now. But before we do that, let's take it down here and let's go ahead and put it into the case. So we're just going to line it up here, and it should, you push a little hard on it, snap right into place. So now, our little guard is there and ready to accept. The majority of these, we're not going to use. We're only going to use a few of them. So first off, let's start with the basics by plugging in the main power for the motherboard. So if you dig through all of your cables here, you're going to find that there's one cable that's really big. It's a massive amount of connectors being attached to it, all in one, in that little side connector thing. This is your main motherboard. It's called the ATX cable. And so we're going to want to start handling our cable management by running this cable first. And we're going to take it and we're going to insert it through this part of the case. And whenever I do that, I insert it through this part of the case, it's going to hit over here. And so the cool thing about this case is they have this blue metal bar here that's protecting your cable. So the stick is in here, like so. We're going to line up as you can see, the cool thing is these little connectors are all the same as these connectors. So it's really hard to screw this up. So we're going to take our cable here, and we're going to insert them in all the way up and put down. And then we have this extra little pull phone here. We're going to plug that in to the if we press hard, the motherboard's going to flex a little bit, so don't worry about it. Now that we have that installed, we can go back here and we can start routing the cable and bring it back down here so that the cable doesn't look a little weird. Now, you can't see anything on the cable except for the connector cables, which I wish were a different color. This is definitely any relation to how it's apart, but otherwise, that looks really good. Now, let's consult our motherboard because it says we not only need to connect to the internet connection, we also need to connect to the power plug. Which you're like, that is the power plug. What's that? That's how we mount this cooler. In this case, this cooler has 4 mounting screws. So looking here at the motherboard, this motherboard comes with these 2 plastic mounts installed for a different kind of cooler. Because we are not using that cooler, we're going to uninstall these 2 plastic mounts here, and we're going to screw the cooler directly onto the motherboard. So I've undone these 4 mounting screws. There's actually a metal plate that you just heard smash down onto the table below because those screws are not holding it in place. So what we're going to have to do is get a little creative here, and I actually may need to have Rachel help me out with this to put the plate back on, straighten the computer back up here. And here is the mounting plate that came off the bottom. We're going to slide the mounting plate back into the holes where it was. We have this hole right there, which is great. And next, everything's fine. Do not be alarmed. I'm actually going to face things around this way more. And before I install it, I need to check the instruction manual. Because any instruction manual for every motherboard, they will detail the slots that you're supposed to install the RAM into. In this case, I know that it's probably not going to be slots right next to each other. They're going to want me to install it into slots that are at least 1 apart, I would guess. There we go, system memory. So because we're using 2 sticks of memory, it's saying to install one into DIMM A2 and one into B2. We can see that we need to install this slot and this slot are 2 sticks of memory. Very, very good. Good work, right? If you look at it at the RAM slots, there are little plastic guards, and we can push back on the top part of these guards here so that it is now ready for the installed RAM. The next thing you want to do is you want to look at your RAM and find a little gap, because sometimes it'll be longer on one side or the other, and the gap will be a little off center. In this case, the gap looks like this, slightly further down. We're going to line up our RAM right here in this slot 2. And we're going to put it on here and say that looks right. Line up into the holes. Match down solidly to the point that you're afraid you're going to break it, and the RAM will probably not be this plastic connector here will hold it slide out against the RAM. If you want to uninstall it, you can press up on this little plastic and it will push the RAM up, enabling you to uninstall it. But in our case, this can be a little weird, this metal, where you kind of have to press in, like I'm having to do, to fit the screws back into it. That can be just a thing with the design tolerances of the case, etc. Something for you to be aware of when you're installing your graphics cards. Sometimes you may have to a little bit. It's going to require enough pressure that you may think you're hurting things. But you're not. Do not worry. It's time to wire this beast. So we're going to tilt it up here onto the side so you can see the back of it here. And as you can see, here are all of our wires that I tried to hide. Remember that? I was like, what can I do with this right now? We have to do it now. I'm sorry how it's going to be. Let's pull all this out so we can look at it. Let's pull all these out so we can look at it. Do not be intimidated by what you see here. I realize it's a little terrifying, but the good news is that the majority of these we are not going to use. We're only going to use a few. So first off, let's start with the basics by plugging in the main power for the motherboard. So if you dig through all of your cables here, you're going to find that there's one cable that's really, really big. It's got a massive amount of connectors here attached to it. It's all in one. You have a little side connector thing. This is your main motherboard power cable. I believe it's called the ATX cable. And so we're going to want to start hammering our cable arrangement by running this cable first. And we're going to take it and we're going to insert it through this part of the case. And whenever I do that, and insert it in this part of the case, it's going to appear over here. And so the cool thing about this case is that it has this blue metal bar here that's protecting your cable from being visible. So just run up along the side here, and we're going to run it through this little hole here in the top. Okay, so we're going to run this cable through here, like so, and we still have some room, which is good. And we're going to line up our pins here with it, and we're going to simply plug it in. Now, cables can be a little tough. They can be a little hard, a little difficult to maneuver, but this is a situation where you just kind of got to manhandle them into position, as it were. There we go. Now our CPU has power. Interesting card. And we're going to reach in and pull out, carefully going to pull out here, the graphics card. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. GTX 1060. Will protective film before use. Yes, I will. Protective film. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. So as you can see, here's the graphics card. Here is the mounting pins that we're going to use. We're going to go through all of our cables here again. Don't do that one, don't do that one, don't do that one. Like I said, a lot of these you do not have to really worry about, which is really good. The one that we want to pay attention to is this guy right here. It's just a standalone 8-pin. Hold on, and watch this little hole right here. And it's about to come out. So this hole is very helpful because this is the one hole where you're going to have cables visible. Recommends for RAM. So if you go on the Asus website for this motherboard, they'll have a spreadsheet listing all of the and you know this compatible motherboard. And it is in your best interest in general to purchase RAM based on that spreadsheet because that way you are not going to know it's not only the control is working, you will actually have issues if you buy RAM based on the compatibility. And if you're looking for DDR4 RAM, this is a great choice. Got it? Okay, great. Last two things. We have the power switch.
Always is something that really isn't that big of a difference. I'll let you guys dig and dug with that one, but let's look up multiple rates on the 3900X. They're actually performed quite surprisingly very similar to the 3700X. Again, the benchmarks showed similar FPS and far from the one. Moving over the top lens of the 2, we did get a slight FPS boost on the water cooler by about 4 average FPS. Now, in terms of temperatures, they were in favor of the water cooler by about 10 degrees, but we maxed out at 81 degrees, and that had an overall boost again of roughly 4.2 liters. It does tend to fluctuate out, so it's very hard to get an exact reading because that's
What is up, everybody? How you doing? Just sitting here editing together the PC build video, and I know I said at the beginning of it that that would probably be the first video edited on the new PC build, but that didn't turn out to be the case. It's actually a year later. I've been using the PC pretty regularly. I've edited a few drone videos and stuff like that together, and so now I'm just finishing this up and figured I'd do a little outro on how it's going. And haven't had any complaints, haven't had any problems with it. I don't know anything about computers. I was able to build one just following people off of YouTube. It fired up on the first try, and it's been working ever since with no problems. So I don't do any gaming or anything like that on there, so this computer's not very exciting, but we'll take a look at it here real quick. You see the only RGB is the Prism fan that came with the CPU, so yeah, nothing really too exciting in there. Nothing too exciting in there, but hey, it works for what I'm doing, and you know, I'm pretty happy with it. I guess going through the video here, I'm actually wearing the same shirt, and maybe I've shaved since then. So that's about it, and I'm gonna get to finishing this video up, get it up there loaded to YouTube, and continue making some more drone videos. Hopefully I get better at them, and we'll see. We'll go from there. So I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.